I'm Sarah with WTI.
If you're looking for a beautiful mirror that will take your bedroom, bathroom, or dining room to the next level, then we have found it. Let me tell you about this beautiful mirror. It has 3 different LED lights for you to choose from. It goes from a white light to a beautiful warm light, and you can dim all of these. You can also get a better background light or the front light that works. I also love that it has an anti-fog button, so you can touch this if you have it in a bathroom and it will defog your mirror in a matter of moments. There's such a range of lighting options with this mirror, whether you need it to just add some ambiance to your dinner table or whether you're looking to put on your makeup and you need a bright light, this mirror is going to be everything that you need it to be. Hanging this mirror was an absolute breeze, especially because it came with this wonderful template that I could simply tape to the wall and then use the holes as my guide. I hung it in a matter of minutes all by myself. I removed the protective film and you have got a beautiful mirror that is ready to use. So if you're in the market for a new mirror that's going to bring life and light to any room that you put it in, then you've found it with this beautiful mirror from CITYMODA.
And that's my point of view.